Hey guys, good evening. This is Sandy from Sunday Page. Hope you guys doing good. Stay safe always. This is my YouTube channel. In case you haven't subscribed my channel, please kindly subscribe for more updates and click the bell icon for get the instant updates. Okay. So let's see a couple of stocks. What is going to happen? So in the future, today is a big day. Second week of expiry, and moreover, the specialty is about the special day is all about the Nifty has went to all-time high. So see what happened. Nifty, see, this is flag and pole pattern. Because I drawn the pattern in the Zerodha chart. Flag and pole pattern. The market is in consolidation, almost close to 1 month. The market is in consolidation box pattern. So it clearly indicates given a small breakout, because just 50 points away to hit the 16,000. We need to see whether 16,000 is a major resistance or just a number. We need to wait and watch what is going to happen. So that's very, very important, because once the all-time high Nifty like 1.5 years back, the Nifty has crossed 11,950. After that went up to 12,025, 12,030, 12,300. After the market went up to again went down to 11,600. That's what I'm telling. Whether 16,000 is going to act as a major resistance or just a number, we need to wait and watch what is going to happen in Nifty. So once Nifty is given a more breakout, more chance of I said breakout, upside breakout. So definitely the weightage of stocks probably would be in a very strong bullish side. So same like, see the Nifty IT. See Nifty IT today also market is into very, very strong bullish side. You can see the Tech Mahindra, Happiest Mind, all the important stocks, Wipro stocks, all the key IT stocks would be in the buy side. The reason is like, this is clearly market got broken a single side. So almost yesterday 3% up, and today also like close to 1%, 2.5%, close to 4.5% up in just 2 days. So all the IT stocks were in a very, very strong buy side. So same like Bank Nifty. See Bank Nifty today, see the stock. Near into breakout. That's what you need to analyze. You need to, because almost 6,500 stocks will be available, so you need to watch each and every sector. These are the low pricing stocks. See, these are just 80 rupees, 80 to 90 rupees stock. Once it breaks, once it gives a very strong buy trend, probably you get 20 to 25 points in upside. These are small and very, very small cap stocks. So definitely small and mid caps gives a very, very good volatility. You can easily earn the profits, book the profits. The only thing is you should know the price action. And last but not the least, ACC today given a 1% upside. See, when you see the weekly time frame near the resistance, when you see the daily time frame, see, this is how you need to work it out. Exactly at the resistance, it should break or take a consolidation or might come down. From here market went up here. From here market went up here. Again going to touch the resistance. So either come down or taking consolidation. I'm telling opportunities. Either takes a consolidation, either goes upside, either comes down here or comes down here. So these are the opportunities you need to see in a different angle before entering any trade. So that's it guys. Stay safe always, and if you like this video, please subscribe it and comment it for more updates. And the new batch is starting on coming weekend. If in case interested, please kindly ping me on Instagram or Telegram or WhatsApp. Thanks you, and stay safe always. Cheers from Sandy. Bye bye.